गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप सबके लाया हूँ 15 रोमांटिक सेंटेंसेस। ये ऐसे रामबाण सेंटेंसेस है जिनका यूज अगर आप करते हैं अपने पार्टनर को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए तो आप डेफिनेटली उनको इम्प्रेस कर पाएंगे। सेंटेंसेस सारे बहुत ही रोमांटिक है और बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे सेंटेंसेस है। तो आप वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें ताकि आपसे जो है कोई भी सेंटेंस मिस ना हो पाए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते वीडियो को। योर स्माइल इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ माई डे। Your smile is the best part of my day. Every path of my heart leads me to you. Every path of my heart leads me to you. My life is incomplete without you. My life is incomplete without you. Getting lost in your eyes in my favorite game. Getting lost in your eyes is my favorite game. My world become beautiful as soon as I see you. My world become beautiful as soon as I see you. Your every smile brings so much joy to my heart. Your every smile brings so much joy to my heart. My nights are sleepless without hearing your voice. My nights are sleepless without hearing your voice. The sweetness in your words drives me crazy. The sweetness in your words drives me crazy. My life feels incomplete without you. My life feels incomplete without you. Every smile of yours is undergoing to my heartbeat. Every smile of yours is undergoing to my heartbeat. Spending time with you is the most special thing for me. Spending time with you is the most special thing for me. My heartbeats accelerate as soon as I see you. My heartbeats accelerate as soon as I see you. Your happiness is the biggest priority for me. Your happiness is the biggest priority for me. My life without you is like a breath without air. My life without you is like a breath without air. I am ready to conquer the world to have you. I am ready to conquer the world to have you. तो गाइस ये थी आज की हमारी बेस्ट 15 रोमांटिक सेंटेंसेस। होप आपके सारे सेंटेंसेस पसंद आए हो। तो चलिए मिलते हैं किसी नई वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।